I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we are gonna draw cute little Princess Bee. Let's look at the picture. Princess has the head, hair, antennas, dress, arms, legs, and wings. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, hair, antennas, dress, arms, legs, and wings. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. Now let's start drawing. The first step we are gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here, right in the middle. We are gonna draw a circle for her head. Repeat after me. A circle. The next step is her ears. Draw C shape on the left side and backward C shape on the right side. Good job. Then let's draw her hair. Draw 6 curves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then let's draw a curve on the left side. It starts over here. Go down and connect with the head. Then let's draw the same thing on the right side. It starts over here on the top of her head, goes down and connect. Oh, you're doing great! Then let's draw her eyes. 1, 2, and coloring it. Draw U shape in the middle for her smile. Our princess has roses on her cheeks. Draw C shape on the right side and backward C shape on the left side. Now let's draw her antennas. Draw 2 vertical lines on the left side and circle between. And the same thing on the right side. 2 lines and circle between. Oh, good job! I like your antennas. Take your time, don't rush. Pause the video and continue when you are ready. Now let's draw her neck. We are gonna draw 2 short lines underneath her head. The first and the second. Wow, you're doing great! She's so cute! Then let's draw a square. It's the top of her dress. Don't forget that all sides of square are the same length. Draw straight horizontal line over here, then 2 vertical lines on each side and connect them. Okay, I like your square. Our Princess Bee is almost ready. Keep it up. You're doing great. Now let's draw the bottom of her dress. Draw a curved line on the left and on the right. Then let's connect them. And let's add stripes inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing great! Now it's time for her arms. Draw a straight diagonal line over here on the left side and same line on the right side. Okay, and add ovals for her palms. Then let's draw her wings. Draw 2 C shapes on the left side. 1, 2. And backward C shapes on the right side. 1, 2. Okay, good job. And finally, let's draw her legs. Draw 2 parallel lines and curve between. On the left side, the first, the second, and curve between. And same thing on the other side. The first, the second, and curve between. And let's line for her shoes. Here and here. Oh, we did it! Good job! Your Princess Bee is so pretty! Now let's color her together. You can choose any color you like. I'm going to use the light brown marker for her hair. I'm tracing. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Tracing and coloring. Oh, you're doing great! Your Princess Bee is so cute! I want to see your drawing so much! You can ask your parents to show it to me. #Nanny Julie Art on Instagram or Facebook. Now let's color her cheeks. I use pink. You can choose any color you like. Let's color her dress. I use yellow and black. Yellow. These colors go one after another. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Tracing and then coloring. Try to stay inside the lines. Remember it. You're doing great. And black. Then let's color her legs. Yellow and black for shoes. Tracing and coloring inside. Then let's draw her antennas. Black and yellow. Yellow and black. Our Princess Bee is so beautiful. And finally, let's color her wings. I choose light blue marker. You can choose any color you like. Tracing again and coloring inside. Tracing again. Try to stay inside the lines. You're doing great. Coloring inside. Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing Princess Bee. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring Princess with me. Love you. Bye-bye.